In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip text and mirror text here in Kittl. Now, once you have the text that you want to flip, you simply want to click on that, or if you have different types of text together, like I do just here, we can simply group them together. Then we can copy and paste, pull down, then we want to right click, and we can click on flip vertically. And as we can see, we've now mirrored that text. Now we can also, if we highlight this or just click onto the text, click right click again, we can also flip this horizontally. Now if we copy this and pull this down, then we can also flip vertical, and there we go. So as you can see, it's incredibly easy to flip and mirror text here in Kittl. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.